This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Floor Decor Holdings Inc. and explains the essentials. The company sells hard surface flooring and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker FND. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To place a trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FND to locate floor and decor listings. Make sure to select the NASDAQ listing that matches the company name to find the correct stock. On the asset page, you can review basic company information and a price chart for FND. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the right security. Click the Investor Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or pending, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can complete. Once the order fills, your FND position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the platform used in this example, see the link in the description.